Hi guys, so today we got a Packerd Bell Dot S mini. This is for a friend of mine who has a bar and just wants to install Spotify. Now this laptop is very old, but I will try to give it a second life. So let's start with the specs. On the left we got a LAN port, VGA, one USB port and mic and headphone jack ports. On the right we got a Kensington lock, power port, two USB ports and an SD card reader. Now this laptop came from 2009 and still looks fantastic. Like I said, it's for a friend and she wants me to install an SSD in it, but the laptop has only 1GB of RAM, so I ordered 2GB of extra RAM, so it has a total of 3GB. So after the RAM came in from good old China, I discovered that there's only one memory slot. I even went as far as to remove the keyboard to double check, but yeah, we only have 2GB of RAM. But the most important thing is that it can run YouTube and Spotify. Like I said, it's for playing music in a local bar. Doesn't respond to anything I want. How does that make you feel, little doggy? How does that make you feel, little doggy? You're such a sweet fella. Come over here, doggy. Aww. Oh, it's done loading. Let's see if we can play something. Now, after a lot of installation issues, I came to the discovery that this laptop only supports 32-bit software. As we all know, 64 is the standard for as long as I can remember. So after a lot of installation issues, I still managed to install everything, but this explains why this laptop is so slow. I still did the test and installed Spotify, but it took forever to load, forever to install, so I pulled the plug out of this one.
Yep, I've seen enough. Woo, it's pixel time! Yeah!
So, I told my friend it's not worth upgrading. I provided her with a new laptop so she can install and run Spotify at the local bar. If you have a Packerd Bell Mini, I would advise you not to try and upgrade it. It's a waste of your money and it's a waste of your time. I would say mission saving on Packerd Bell Dot S Mini failed. So, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.